Hello guys, welcome back to the channel Tech. Today's topic is about how to upload photos or files in MediaTek. Guys, firstly like, share and subscribe for more videos. Let's get into the topic. Guys, download the MediaFire app from Play Store. Then open the app. We can see this interface after opening this app. Press sign up option. Fill the required details in these boxes, namely first name, last name, email address, your password, confirm password, etc. Let's create account. After signing in, we can get this interface. See this, guys. Upload your selected file or photo in this app. After uploading the file, try to refresh the screen. Now long press the uploaded file to share the file.
Tell me pretty lies, look me in the face. Tell me that you love me, even if it's fake.